Yo, does earning $1,000 a day sounds good to you? Man, I don't know about you, but for me, it does sounds good. So, in this video, we are gonna attempt to earn $1,000 in a day just by doing Fiverr affiliate marketing for beginners for this year, 2024 at least. So, in this video, I'm gonna try my best to earn $1,000 in a day, and hopefully it is true. Hopefully this video is not lying. Alright, so I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find and seek for the truth. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this.
Some beginners are making over $1,000 a day with Fiverr affiliate marketing, but most people do it completely wrong and never actually make a single dollar in affiliate commissions from Fiverr. So in this video, I want to show you 5 different ways to get free traffic even as a complete beginner so that you can actually make money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. My name is Dave Nick, and step number 1 is to obviously first of all sign up to Fiverr affiliates. So you would go to fiverr.com/partnerships/affiliates and you would press on the join now button.
Alright, so here we are at Fiverr affiliates. So apparently this is a website that will let us earn up to $1,000 a day. Okay, so we're gonna check this website out. It is a legit website, right? As you guys may or may not know, Fiverr is just like a kind of like a freelance platform where people can offer their services to people who are looking for any particular service. So as you guys can see over here, there's like content creators, digital entrepreneurs, solution providers, online educators, marketers, agencies, blah blah blah. So we're gonna promote for them. We're gonna promote their services for them. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and register and then I'll get back to you guys. Yo, so I'm done. Congrats, I'm a Fiverr affiliate. Alright, so I've successfully registered for this account. I'm gonna go ahead and resume with the video to see what are the next steps.
Click on default and deep links, and here you can find these different affiliate links. So if you send someone to this affiliate link, it's going to send them straight to Fiverr to sign up to Fiverr platform. Now that's okay, but if you want to promote some specific offer and some specific service from Fiverr, then you will find that service that you want to promote. Let's say, for example, you want to promote some video editing service. You search for video editing, you find the video editing service that you really like and you think is valuable and you want to promote that. Then you click on that listing and then you click on the share button on the right hand side. Click over here and click on copy link. As you do that, you would go back to your affiliate account and then simply click on LP URL and paste that link here. Now, once you click that, that's going to give you your special affiliate link for that offer in particular. And now when someone clicks on your affiliate link, they will be sent to this service from which you earn a commission if they invest in this service. But even if they don't buy this service and they go to something else, you will still earn a commission because they used your affiliate link to sign up.
Alright, so this is the dashboard. This is the Fiverr affiliates dashboard over here. As you guys can see right here, it's a new account, right? So everything is like $0, 0 clicks, 0 CTR, 0 registrations, 0 FTB, whatever that means. What does this mean? Oh, different kind of categories, I guess. So in order to generate the link, right? In order to generate the affiliate link, what we have to do is to go over to marketing tools right here. And then we gotta go to default and deep links. Click on this deep link and then this is a landing page, right? So we just have to go ahead and find any services on Fiverr and then we copy the link over there and then we paste it over here. And then once we paste it over here, it will generate a link that is just specific for us. So if anyone were to click on the link and were to, go ahead and purchase the services that we offer them, we will get some form of commission, right? I think the commission, it really depends on the setup. Yeah, so I'm not too sure about that. I think it varies, right? I think it varies. So let's go ahead and find one of the links for us to promote.
First one is through medium.com. This is a platform where you can share articles and blog posts, and the articles that I've been sharing are actually ranking pretty high on Google, so I get a lot of free traffic from Google search. To get started with this platform, you would basically just click on write and you would start sharing blog posts and articles. Now, if I want to promote some video editing service, I would first of all create an article that would attract people that need video editing services. And if you don't want to write anything yourself, you can also just go to SEOwriting.ai, which is an AI tool where you can create a blog post from scratch, and you can just enter the main keyword.
Alright, so the first link where it actually recommends us to promote our Fiverr affiliate links, it is to be at medium.com, as per usual. as per usual, medium.com. So what we have to do basically is to write up an article, right, as per usual for medium.com. Write an article, and then if we are feeling lazy, right, if you want to automate this entire process, we can go ahead and use SEOwriting.ai. Previously, I did mention that SEOwriting.ai may or may not be free, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and register an account, and hopefully I can at least generate one article. That's the goal. If I'm able to generate one article, then sounds good. Sounds good. Yo, so right here, I'm at SEOwriting.ai. I successfully registered for an account, and what I gotta do next is I gotta go ahead and click on one-click blog post right here, lightning fast. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a click. Alright, right here. So this is the main keyword that I've keyed in, which is really similar to whatever Dave Nick mentioned. For him, he just mentioned how to improve your YouTube channel with video editing. But for me, I'm just gonna add a little bit different, do a little bit something different. So I'm gonna add on with gaming instead. So how to improve your gaming YouTube channel with video editing. So what I gotta do next is to go ahead and click generate a title right here. And boom! Boost your gaming YouTube with video editing tips, right? So if you scroll down over here, what we have to do next is to go to the SEO section right here and just click on this button, NLP keywords generation. Alright, so we got some of the important keywords over here, as you guys can see right here, a bunch of them right here. And then what we're gonna do next is to go ahead and scroll up and click run. Alright, so we're just gonna let it load over here, as you can see right here. The status is over here, 6%. Just gonna let it load, and hopefully it loads and reaches 100% and gives us what we need. Alright, so at the meantime, when the thing is loading, I'm gonna go ahead and find the actual service that I want to promote. So I'm over here at Fiverr, as you guys can see. I've searched for gaming video editing right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and find a particular service that I want to promote for. So alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this. I will do YouTube gaming video editing professionally. So this is the landing page. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy its link right here, copy link. And then I'm gonna go back to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Alright, right here, right? Gonna go ahead and click on deep link and just gonna paste the link over here. And gonna hit save. So after saving, right, we just gotta go ahead and click copy over here, and that's it. So if you want to give it a test, right, let's see where it leads us. That's right, this is the exact link that I've clicked on earlier on to promote. Back at SEOwriting.ai, it has been loaded right here. So let's move on.
Let's go and check out the AI article. So it's 4.5 thousand words long with key takeaways, with frequently asked questions, with tables of content. Like, it's a fully optimized article with 4,000 words. I can now copy this, go back to...
Alright, so let's check this out. Click on it. Alright, so 3.7k words. It's quite lengthy. Really lengthy. So as you guys can see, right, it seems really legit, really well thought out. Really organized with all the bullet points, you know, the number points, and even, wow, they even give quotes over here. Really legit, really legit. And they even have like a table over here. Wow, I'm impressed. I am impressed, really impressed. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this entire thing. I'm gonna paste it at medium.com.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm back. Right, I'm done editing for the entire article for medium.com. So this is my article. The title is over here. Boost your gaming YouTube with video editing tips. If you scroll down, there's an image over here, right? This image is taken from Unsplash. So for this image, right, you can actually just key in from medium.com alone, and then they actually, I guess they kind of integrated with Unsplash, right? So if you want any pictures from Unsplash, you can actually claim it from here. You don't really have to go to unsplash.com just to download the picture. Yeah, so just get it from here. It is more convenient. If you scroll down, right right here you can see this is the first link that I've included for the viewer. So this is the link that goes to the Fiverr affiliate link that I've chosen earlier on. So as you guys can see, right, what I've keyed in is best and cheapest video editors to improve your watch time. And then you can see right here, this is the Fiverr affiliate link. So if I give it a click, right, boom, that's right, back at it again. This is the original link that I showed you guys earlier on that I'm promoting. So this is how it basically works, right? It's just affiliate marketing. Alright, so if you scroll down a little bit more, this is just all the content that I've copied from SEOwriting.ai. And then every now and then, I will include the link again right here. As you guys can see, it's the same link. I just copy and paste like throughout the entire article, just to remind the viewer that, you know, there is a link for them if they want to find a video editor that is good for them. Yeah, so every now and then throughout the entire article, I'll remind them here and there that it's like a CTA, right? Call to action. Yeah, so it kind of like reminds them and drives them to the page that I'm trying to push them towards to. Yep. Good stuff. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and publish this and see what happens. Alright, done. I'm done publishing. One problem though, this story isn't currently eligible to earn money. To make this story eligible, join the Medium Partner Program. I mean, okay, if I don't join the program, at least I hope that they are still promoting and pushing this article on google.com. So if anyone is searching for this particular topic that I've made, right, the whole boost your gaming YouTube with video editing and stuff like that, hopefully they still push it, right? Hopefully they're not biased. I hope so. So if that still happens, right, it means that our affiliate link will still be pushed and promoted to everyone else as well. So if that still works, then I guess I'm fine. I guess. Yeah.
The second way that you can get free traffic is going to be through Quora.com. So Quora is a platform where people come to ask and answer different questions. So if you can find people that are asking for, like, let's say best video editing services, or someone asking like, should I edit my videos myself or should I hire someone, blah, 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 you can just start responding to those people and you can tell them that, for example, you've outsourced the particular service, whether that's video editing or graphic design or anything else you find on Fiverr. You can say, hey, and this is a service that I've used, here's a link, and I can check.
Alright, so as you guys just saw earlier on, the other website that we can promote this service, right, for free, right, free traffic, right, that's the whole point, is to go to Quora. There's another website. So I've keyed in best gaming video editing services. So what we gotta do basically is to just find questions that other people has posted that's regarding this particular question, right, this particular topic, and then what we gotta do is just promote the link that we have for them for the Fiverr one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that as well, and hopefully I get some conversions. That'll be good, that'll be fun. So I'm done commenting on one of the questions under Quora. So this is it, this is how it looks like. Hopefully I get some sort of reply. Actually I don't even care about replies, I just care about the conversion, right? Hopefully I get some clicks and some conversion. Alright, so if I get any answers, any replies, or any sales, I'll let you guys know as well. Alright, so for the next website that he mentions, right, it is Reddit, right? It's one of the more popular forums, I guess, right? So same thing, I just key in best gaming video editing services, and then I just go ahead and find one particular topic. Actually, not just one, you can just find as many as you want that is related to the services that you're providing, right? So just go ahead and click on this, which I've did. And right here, right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a comment to promote the service that I'm promoting. Alright, so I'm done commenting right here, as you guys can see. So wish me luck, same thing. Hopefully I get some sort of reply or any form of conversion. That will be proper ideal, so wish me luck. Alright, so that's the end of the video. So these are all of the methods that he told us to do, which is to basically just go ahead and find any form of service, not just video editing service, any form of service that Fiverr has, because as you guys know, right, Fiverr actually has a lot of different kinds of services like digital marketing, graphic design, copywriting, e-commerce related stuff. I guess the list goes on and on, right? So whatever form of service that you want to promote, right, you want to do affiliate marketing for them, you can just go ahead and click on the link on the landing page and then just generate an affiliate link from the Fiverr affiliate dashboard, and then from there on, just go ahead and I guess go for the medium.com, Quora, Reddit, and yeah, that's it. Basically, that's it. As per usual, if I have any form of updates, any form of sales, hopefully up to now I still have yet to have any form of sales, any form of legit money that they claim from their video titles. So yep, wish me luck once again. So alright, I'll see you guys in the next one, and